So for this move, I'm going to show you how to do our dumbbell RDL or our dumbbell Romanian deadlift. Grabbing onto both of my dumbbells with my feet at a shoulder width position, and then now having my arms slightly in front of my body, my hands already resting a little bit on top of my thighs. And then now while performing this movement, I want to make sure that my head is not gone all over the place. And so I don't want to tuck it in too much, but I also don't want to look forward. With a slight bend in the knee, I am pushing my butt back as much as possible. So this is called a hip hinge. And where I want to stop is where my hands go slightly below my knees, or I feel an immense amount of stretch onto my hamstrings. So come all the way up, pushing the butt backwards as much as possible. Hands go a little bit below the knees, keeping my head down. And I'm standing all the way up. Also, if you notice too, my back, I want to keep my back nice and flat.